Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making this beautiful, stylish, trending handkerchief top that has been ready for some time. So this top is very easy to make and it's a very beginner friendly tutorial. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to make, just keep watching the video to the end. And if it's the first time you're coming across my channel or any of my video, you're very much welcome, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, for you to be able to make this top, there are two basic measurements you are going to be needing for this top. The first measurement is where the rope is going to be at the front. That is at this your upper chest part where the rope is going to be. So you'll be placing your tape like this to take that measurement. You can see how I'm placing my tape. So from this point to this point where you want your rope to be, that is what you'll be taking. So for mine is 12 inches. Now the second measurement is the height of your top, that is the top length. So you'll be taking it from your upper chest part like this. So from where the top is going to start to where the top is going to end. So for mine, I'm having 15 inches. So these are the two basic measurements that you'll be needing for this top. So guys, these are the fabric we are going to be making use of. So this is a chiffon fabric that I have. So I cut out two pieces of this fabric. The both are the same length and the same width. So one is going to be serving as a lining piece for this top. So I'll be dropping one aside and we are going to be working with one. Now I'll go ahead and open up my tape so that I'm going ahead and open up my fabric so that we can take the measurement together. So the length of this top, that is the length that I used for this top, was up to 84 inches. As you can see, I have my full tape here, and I also have another 20, around 24, 28 inches extra. So I'm having a total of 80 something inches. Then the height of the top, the length of the top is 15 inches. Then I add 1 inch for it. That is the 1 inch I'm going to use to be turning it with the lining with the other piece. So after we are done taking the measurements, we'll go ahead and fold our piece of fabric into two like this. So just go ahead and fold your fabric into two, as you can see me doing. So when you fold it, make sure you arrange it. So I just wanted to turn it so that I'll be having a better view. So just go ahead and arrange it very well and you are good to go. So once I was done arranging this, so from this center part that is on fold, that is where we'll start taking our measurement. So the first measurement we are going to be taking is at our upper chest measurement. So mine was 12 divided by 2. I'm marking 6 inches. Remember, we have folded this fabric into 2. So you're going to be marking half of what you have there. So mine is 6 inches. That is 12. Now the second measurement you want to take is where the loops at the back is going to be. As you can see at the picture at the side here. So for mine, I marked 10 inches for that. So if you are a plus size, I think you should go ahead and mark 12 inches. So I used 10 inches from that first point that we marked 6. Then the second mark I went ahead to mark from there was 10 inches, where I'll be adding a loop at the back of the top where my rope is going to be passed at the back. Now these are the two things you are going to be marking, and that is all you need for this top. So I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys. So this part here is where our rope is going to be at the front, at that upper chest part. Then this is where we'll be adding a sort of a loop at the back. That is the one that will be passing at the back, that will be passing our rope through. Now I've already go ahead and form my rope. So I'll be showing you guys what I did, and also have my little loop. So I cut out a piece of fabric that is as wide as 1 inches. Then I went ahead to double fold it like this and fold it again like this, and I stitch it down. So the length of this my rope is up to 60 inches. It's very long, and I think you need a very long rope. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to place my rope at those points that I cut. That's the place I'm placing this rope is that 12 inches mark that I made at the front. So you'll be placing your rope to go inside the fabric like this. How I'm placing it, because we are going to be turning these parts with lining. Then these other smaller ones are the one we are going to be marking at that point that we mark 10 inches. At that point, I will mark 10 inches at the back. So this is the point that will be going at the back of our top that we are going to be passing our rope through. So I'll go ahead and place the second one at the other part as well, like this. So once I was done placing this, I'll go ahead and bring in the second fabric, and I'll be placing it on top of this one. So this second piece is what we are using as the lining for this particular top. So you should bear in mind that you mustn't line this top. You can just go ahead and do it like that. So mine, I'll go ahead and close all round. Then I'll be keeping around 3 to 5 inches, where I'll be bringing out this piece from, where I'll go ahead and turn it to the right side. So guys, I'm done stitching it round, as you can see. So at this point, that is where I drop the 3 inches that I'm going to be using to pull out this part. So you just go ahead and put your hand through this part and bring it out. So you just take your time and bring it out, and make sure that you bring out everything out. So you are turning this out to the right side, so that the parts that you stitch down will go to the wrong side. So this is what it looks like. I'm done turning it out, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, just make sure that you bring out all this pointy edge very well. Then you go ahead and give this a very nice press. That is all for the top. Then while putting on this top, you can see what I'm doing. You go ahead and pass this rope at that smaller loops that you put at the back part, and that is what it's going to be like. So when you put it up, this part that has the rope will be on the front, then it will be passed at the back part of your dress, like how you are seeing me doing it right here. So this is what it will be looking like when you put it on. And this is all for this particular top tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching this video to this moment. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do to subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful family. And do not forget to on your notification bell, so that you get notified whenever we upload new tutorial. Thank you once again for watching this beautiful tutorial, and see you guys on our next tutorial. Thank you.